Team 2 gets 1 point for the correct answer, no points for the shot.
We use Trashketball during our review periods. We'll set a whole period aside for review to go over all of the lessons that we'd be covering on a test in the subsequent period. And basically, the review period is just them answering questions that just look like the ones on the test. The idea is that you give them a fun, sort of relaxed way to review those questions. So rather than just having them do a worksheet on stuff they've already studied, you give them an incentive to try to get the answers right. You get them to collaborate with team members over coming up with the best answers. And then, you get to have a little fun and keep things fresh.
Trashketball, I don't really know the origins. I know some of the teachers ahead of me had used it for a lot of time. It's just a review game. It's sort of like a mix between basketball and kids throwing things into the trash, which is what they like to do anyway, which is sometimes a management issue. So it just allows them to do that and get some of that energy out.
So the rules of Trashketball are simple. You put them into 4 teams, and every person in the class answers a review question at the same time independently. After maybe 30 or 45 seconds, they get to work with their team members to agree on a final answer. And then I have each team answer. So team 1 gets to answer question 1, team 2 gets to answer question 2, etc. Each team gets 1 point if they answer correctly, and then they get the opportunity to shoot the Trashketball and try to get more points, up to 4 depending on how far they are away from the trash can. The classroom manager, it actually hurts a little bit, because if they were just doing review worksheets, they wouldn't be paying attention much, at least during that period. But in the long run, I think if you give them the opportunity to have fun every now and then, it will help management.
Chose alliteration. That is correct. Why did you choose that?
Because it got the same beginning sound.
Yeah, it's got the same sound at the beginning of all those words.
Rather than having every lesson be just worksheets and them doing the same thing over and over again, they get to see the opportunity to have fun in school. So over the long term, I view Trashketball as a great tool for management.
Andre sings it from downtown. So Team 3 has got 11 points right now.